ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning. Ang oras is 10:33. Si Jan nagnanap na and sinama niya na pala si Holly papunta dito. And alam niyo ba si Holly, tinadtad siya ng lamok doon sa swag kasi diba doon siya natulog sa shed. Ngayon, pinainom ko siya ng, eto yung Claritin. Chewable lang siya. So, pinainom ko na siya ng isa. Then, yeah. Grabe yung mukha. Holly, come here. Nakita ko sa inyong maga ang mukha niya. Ang dami niya. Si Kuya, wala. Allergic talaga to eh. Tingnan niyo. Pati paa. Hirap na naman siya lakad. Wait. Ayan. Maga.
And I got some of the
Yeah, wait. Ayan. Sa mukha ang dami. Look at me, Baba. Maga. Yung mata niya, maga. And then, ang dami niya din dyan. Dyan. Siya lang. Si Sophie, okay lang. Si Sophie okay lang naman. Siya lang talaga yung tinadtad ng lamok doon.
These
Don't
taste good.
Taste good?
Tastes like grape.
Masarap daw to. So, later again, okay? Is it itchy?
A little bit.
A little bit. Kasi kanina sobrang nagkakamot siya. So, eto, laking tulong to. So, ngayon, kailangan ko na to sa aking, tawag ng medicine kit. Kasi, si Holly talaga pag kinakagat siya, grabe, namamaga. Ngayon naman, si Zach, tsaka si Taj. Umuwi na pala si Taj, pero bumalik ulit para kunin niya yung kanyang scooter. Kasi ida-drop off ko sila sa bay. Magra-ride sila doon. And, yung ginawa naming madali ang intro and outro doon sa my beach. Na-edit ko siya kagabi, guys. Na-edit ko siya kagabi. And okay naman yung kinalabasan kahit wala yun sa plano kasi alam nyo naman ang aking boys, especially si Jan at si Kuya. Si Zach, madali ko lang naman to hilain. Pero at least kahapon, nakipag-participate yung dalawa. And maganda naman yung kinalabasan. Okay, come on, Zach. Mag-edit ako ngayon after kong ma-drop off sila. Let's go. Give it to Holly. Be quiet, Holly. Her daddy is sleeping. Are you gonna go to the caravan first?
Yeah, and they'll drop me off there again.
Okay, say good morning. Do you like my camera? What do you think? It's alright.
So I just wake up.
You just wake up. Oo, ang late nilang nagising. Kasi nanonood pa sila ng movie. Nanonood sila ng Squid Game. Pero hindi naman siguro tinapos. Come on. Ito pala yung bakas ng aking kinain kagabi. Ayan. Okay. Yan yung kay... Huh? Kay Taj yan na scooter. Okay, put it in now, please. Ako na. Yeah, I will hold this. Okay. Oh, there's a fly sack. Dito na kami sa shed. And walang tao dito. Pero wala naman si Kuya dun sa sa ramp. Siguro nasa library si Kuya. May kukunin lang ako dito sa caravan. Umulan. Hala yung sinampay ko dun. Konting ulan lang naman. Meron dito silang potato sticks and kay Kuya, favorite niya. May tinapay din sila dito. Bago ata to. Kunin ko tong apples and siguro magawa ko ng apple crumbles. Tingnan, kasi tingnan niyo yung apples, hindi nagagalaw. Pero okay pa naman sila. Dami pa silang snacks eh. So, hindi ko pa kailangan mag-grocery. Ayan, meron pa sila dito. Yung popcorn and yung Berry Glow ko nandito lang to. And yung OTAP. Yeah, okay pa naman sila. Hindi pa. Akong kukuha ng pagkain dito kasi nandito yung aking growers. And ito. Diba? Dito kasi yung mga pagkain. Ayan. Yung ref. Ayan. Tapos lang fruit box. And dun sa kabilang fridge, madami pa dun na pag, inumin. Ang daming chocolates. Ay, puro chocolates. Wala, nandito pa to. Itatapon ko na yun. And eto yung chocolates ko din. Ay. Okay, daming chocolate pa. Sour cream, thick and cream. Kunin ko itong blueberries. Hindi naman nila kinakain, ako nilang kakain. Meron din ako dito ng Choco Blast. Okay. Okay, may chips pa nga pala dito. Check ko. Is Kuya TJ here? Is TJ here? Huh?
Put this wheel on, play that wheel on, or this one?
I'm not sure, so I don't know what's the difference.
There's no difference.
That's right, so why you gonna change it? Right, Taj? Yeah, sorry. It's alright, tingnan niyo. Ang dami pa ditong... Yeah, dami pang drinks. May isa pang ganito. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa kailangan mag-grocery. Meron pa ako ditong pineapple. Oh, ayan. Golden Pash. Diba? So, okay pa sila. Ayan. Okay pa. Okay. May eggs pa. Salad. Ice cream. Ano to? So, yeah. Okay pa. Yung drinks nila, marami pang tubig din dun sa karakan. Are you ready? I don't know. Which one you wanna use? I don't know. Okay. Let's go because I have work to do. Huh? Huh?
Hang on, no.
Okay, let's go. Oh, check natin kung nasara yung fridge ng maigi. So, ayan yung tubig nila. Kuha pa ako ng isa pang cracklings. What are you doing, Saki? Ito siguro gusto to ni Holly. Daling ko na rin ito na din si Holly. And yung ating magandang lutuan. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. That's it. Love you. Be careful, okay? Walang tao.
Show him my double tail whip.
May pakita raw siyang double tap. I don't know. Whip. Ayan, walang katao-tao. Tapos ang ulap ay madilim. Madilim. Tingnan natin. Ayan siya.
Say mom, love you.
Love you. See ya. Si Taj pala yan. Yan na yung pinakasung nito. Dami niya ng sugat. Okay, we're going na. $60. $80. Dito si Kuya sa sa shop. May kukunin kasi ako and ayan. Hanap siya ng coins. Do you want something? I'm going inside.
Nah, but I'm full.
Alright.
20, 40, 60, 80.
Say hi to my vlog. Good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
Look at them.
Morning.
You sure you don't need? Hi, Cade. Pardon, Kuya. What did you have for lunch? What did you have? It's not lunch yet. But
Kransky potato cake and a garlic bowl.
a garlic bowl. A garlic.
It's got garlic chicken in it.
Hi. Hi, Kate. How's your let me see. Is it better now?
Yeah, I'm allowed to get it wet.
You're allowed now. Yung nagstay siya sa amin. How many stitches?
6.
6. My goodness. So it's okay now to wet it.
Yep.
Are you gonna sleep over again? Na? Bahay na pala ako, guys. And ito yung binili ko sa shop. Bumili ako ng gatas. And nakita ni Holly, sabi ni Holly, bumili na
milk.
Bumili na
It expires at the 17th.
17th. Ito sa 25. Ang laki ng binili ni Jan. What's that? Ayan. Hala, ang dami na nating gatas. Pero,
We just got it today, Mum.
from there.
Yeah, because there
So,
was
I
no
can-
milk, and I wanted Weet-Bix.
So, ngayon, ang dami
What'd you
natin.
get then, Mama?
Ay, wala na.
What are these?
And chicken garlic bowl. Sabi ni Kuya, masarap daw to. And
Can I have one
Kerensky.
black? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ano muna ako. Mag-edit ako. Is it good? Yeah, later. And may binili rin ako na chicken breast. Pakukulang ko to. Kasi gusto kong gumawa ng pansit or bihon. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung dinner namin. Kasi tatanungin ko pa si Jan. Pero pag wala siyang maisagot sa akin mamaya pagising niya, na lang ako, pansit bihon.
Really juicy.
Yeah, okay. Kunin ko muna yung sinampay sa labas. Kasi umulan sa bay. Kunin ko muna ang mga yon. Kasi kahapon pa yan. Tuyo na yan.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel.
So yan yung aking mga tutupiin. Ayan. And si Jan pala, ang aga niya nag-fishing kanina, mga 1 o'clock ng madaling araw siya umalis kasi nga papangit yung weather, mahangin. So, kaya sobrang antok ang aking Jollibee. Maaga rin siya dumating, mga 10:30, 11:27 na. Okay, mag-edit ako, tapos ko mag-edit, tutupi ako habang sinisave natin yung may edit nating vlog. And ito yung lunch namin ni Holly. Ito sa kanya, ito sa akin yung Kerensky. Ano ito guys, yung may cheese. First atin ito. Ayan. Okay, kain muna ako. Then edit na. You want? Okay. Pinagin pa
Just
niya.
a bunch.
Hala, tatanggalin ko pa pala ang Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Ay, ang dami ko pa palang gagawin.
Fancy.
Gusto niyang gumawa ng banana bread.
Fill this up now.
Yeah.
So we're mashing up the bananas now. And we put 3 in there because 2 didn't look enough. So we added 3. So I'm putting flour in the 1.5 cup and pour it into there. Because it needs to be.
Okay, Baba. 100 lang yan, di ba?
bananas are mashed up good enough?
No, you have to smash it.
I did.
Still lumpy.
So now we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda
Powder. Hinahayaan ko lang siyang gumawa. Kasi nagawa niya na yun before.
Okay. So now I added brown sugar into 1 cup. So now I'm gonna pour it into the big bowl. Oh, Mom, look.
Yeah, and 1/4.
And 1/4 of oil. Wow, guys, look at that. It's been a while since I made banana bread. Since I was little, like 4. Now I'm 8.
1/4.
Hey, I got your chicken steak bun.
Me?
Yeah.
Let's need a little bit more. Imagine me a banana bread. How do you feel about that, man?
Well, I got to take Zach and Brock swimming
Where?
at the beach.
Yeah.
Dave's he's rang me up. You
Oh.
take me and Brock. There's
Oh,
lots of
oh,
waves.
who's that?
Zach. Now we're going. Now we're going to go and clean the shed. But
Okay, now I'm gonna pour half of. Mom, is it half a full cup of oil? Okay, guys. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs, and this is my favorite bit: cracking the eggs. Because cracking the eggs is just like good. Alright. So you can't get the shell in it.
I look into your eyes, I see you're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
Okay, we're gonna do another
I
egg.
guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high.
I'm mixing it up to make it mix all together. The egg, brown sugar, and oh, now we have to add vanilla extra.
1.
So now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of 5 ml. Perfect, Mum. Just mix the same part.
Then put this one.
Oh, guys, it smells so good. Right now, we're gonna add the banana that's mashed up into here.
Comprehensive car insurance is a bit more U-shaped. You need Intuit.
Look at that, it's like a swirl. You need to start making.
Hindi pa.
Okay, so this is how it's looking like. I can't really show you. It's so pretty.
Ako lang.
So it's
Baka ako
brown,
lang.
there's little chunks, but doesn't really matter, guys. Because you want it a little chunky, because that will be good. So now we're going to add the cream with the oil a little bit.
Where is my mother and why are you guys in this room? Hi. Oh, she's
Then mix that one, and then you have to put the flour, and that's it. We're gonna bake
And then
it.
we're going to bake it, and then it's going to be so good. It's thicking up a little bit. Isn't it, Mom?
That's
Yeah,
it.
it's thicking up. Putting it first.
Okay.
Now I'm going to pour this.
Can you hold this one? Okay, cute. Ah, yes. So, tingnan mo. Oh.
I'm gonna hang this.
I can do it.
Ako na, ako na.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're just gonna bake this.
Okay. Banana bread is finished, and look how good that looks, guys.
Ano na siya? Na-cool down na siya.
Yes.
I need, we're not gonna bring all of this, Baba. Punta kami ng shed kasi doon kayo magdi-dinner. Nag-barbecue si Jan.
Yes.
So,
Let me try a little bit. So nice.
oh my God, looks
Look,
so
it's
good.
big and it's very puffy and
Yeah.
kind of big.
I'll take your photo of your baking. Sinuli yan.
Yeah, I wanted to bake this and I baked it by myself.
Okay, can you lift that, Baba? I'll take your photo with that one. Now lift the...
So we're gonna cut it in the middle.
Not in the middle, maybe on the side.
Here.
This way.
Like
Let's
that way.
see if it's moist. I think it is because...
Can I taste a little bit more?
Yeah.
Let's taste
We'll
it.
show it first.
And guys, it's better with cream, but it doesn't matter. It's,
Yeah, we don't have cream
it's
here.
also good without cream too. So, yeah. And let's try. It really is soft.
Yeah, I know. It's so moist. Well done, Holly. You have more banana there.
I can make more if I want.
Oh my God, tastes so good.
After
Ang sarap.
dinner, I'm definitely having some.
Mm-hmm.
Very pretty. Very masarap. Bye. Thanks.
Ginawa ko siya ng reels. Good?
Really good. So good.
Okay. We're going there now. Maybe we can just give Daddy some piece.
It's a little crispy.
Yeah, sa top. Ang sarap niya in fairness, solid.
In the top, it's crispy.
Nasa Chona's Kitchen na rin yung... pero yung nasa sa Chona's Kitchen, meron siyang chocolate chips. Ito wala. Ang sarap.
And I like banana bread.
Huh.
When I come back here, I'm definitely having
Are you
more.
sleeping here or
Yeah.
here?
I do not want any more mosquito bites. That's enough.
That's enough. Init-init
Don't I
pa.
have to take that?
So, sobrang soft niya, guys. Tingnan niyo, ha?
Don't I have to take that little thing?
Tingnan niyo, sobrang soft niya talaga.
That's so mushy.
Oh, maybe Daddy will, you know what? We can cut for, no. Bawal kasi daw ang banana sa bowl. May pamanhiin si Jan. Hindi siya nagbabaw ng banana or banana bread. Anything with banana, hindi siya nagbabaw kasi may pamanhiin sa bowl. Ewan ko.
All my dad likes of fruits is banana, pineapple, and mango.
Yeah, okay. Bring that one. Bring that one. For shed. Oh, we have to eat dinner pa, Baba. Come on. Let's go. Dito na tayo, guys. Hi! Hi! Did you go to the beach? Did you go to the beach? Beach?
Yeah, we went.
Alright. Was it good? Lots of waves? Hi! Si Kuya, si Kate, si Max. Kanina Kanina nag-beach si Zach tsaka si Brock. Hi. Good, nandito na yung barbecue. Wala nang space dun, oh.
Yeah. Have a good caravan park.
Play well and set up
Totally raw.
Yeah.
What's that crap? Banana bread.
We made it.
Me.
Well done, Baba.
Good, no? So soft.
Well done. No, it's all right.
That's Holly's
We made it.
baking.
You're not going to make me sick, are you?
Well,
Is it good?
Where's the barbecue, hon?
Oh,
Why is it already cooked?
yeah, I'm about to just light it now, yeah, right.
Are you sleeping here tonight, Max? Yeah. How about Brock? Brock, are you sleeping? Here? You're sleeping here tonight? Ah. Dito sila matutulog tonight. Ngayon pala siya magba-barbecue. Oh. And bumili na si Johnny Boy kasi paubos na raw yung sausages namin doon. Oh.
Yeah, well, oh yeah.
Kasi araw-araw, hindi naman araw. Nung umalis ako, lagi sila nagba-barbecue. So, yung stock sa bahay, paubos na ata. So, bumili na si Jan. So, sa butcher nyo yung binili. Ito yung akin, chicken. Yan. Where are you going, boys?